I'm standing on the sidewalk outside my hydroponic store, okay? And years ago, you've been following along, maybe you remember, but years ago, I came outside and I shaped up one of the bushes so you guys could see. As an example, cannabis was illegal, it was way different, right? And that's one of the bushes. See this yellow bush right here? And the parking lot has them all over. But what I did was I shaped up one of the bushes, and that's the one. Same bush, it was the same size, and it's just absolutely huge now compared to all the way around. And that was just shaping once or twice from the video. It's super important that you shape up your cannabis. Look at how wide it is. Look how much canopy there is compared to, oh, it's adorable. Same age bush, started off as the same size. Look at the size of that one. I'm the Grow Boss. Watch my weekend webcast, Saturdays 10 a.m. if you want to grow cannabis.